Hi, I'm Tim Rose from DWM Machinery. Today we're going to spend a few minutes with the DWM. DWM is available in two sizes, 36 inches and 42 inches. Once you've got your opening set, all you have to do is combine the handles, use a gauge to find out your setting, and you're ready to go. You'll have 2 inches of stroke as you're pressing the part together. Now, let me show you a detail about the inside of the DWM. All DWMs have a 10-inch depth, 24-inch height, and then the 36 to the 42-inch width. But if you're using a smaller drawer, we'll have inserts. And the inserts can set the height of the drawer so you're working off the top as opposed to the bottom. Now, if you want to do your work with the bottom up or the bottom down, we can accommodate that. These little risers will help hold the bottom in place if you choose to assemble in the drawer clamp. Activation and pressing the DWM is very simple. Once you've got your size set, you've got your drawer inserted, it's a 2-button thumb start, 2-inch stroke with the clamp, single button release, and you're done. Here's the business end of the DWM. 2 heavy-duty pneumatic cylinders with simple pneumatic wiring, all visible, all easy to get to, and all common items. Heavy-duty construction, easy installation. All you have to do is take it off the pallet, level it, connect the air, and you're ready to go.